Hi guys, welcome to my new video on setting up the Fuji X100 for street photography. So here we got the camera itself, so we'll just go into the menu, go to silent mode, then press on, so it's up here, so press on, and then there's no shutter sound, there's no autofocus sound, the flash can't go off. So that's very handy for doing street photography, so I don't really hear anything from the X100. Then what you can also do is put the ISO into automatic, so set the maximum to whatever you like, so maximum shutter speed 1/60th per second and maximum ISO, I'll just set it to 3200. Oh, sorry, I was in, so let's go down to ISO, automatic, then go to maximum, then go to 3200. Unfortunately, you cannot pick any higher, so just pick 3200 and then press on. So now we are in ISO automatic. Then what I prefer to do is put it into RAW, dynamic into 100, and don't use any film simulation. Now what I tend to do is put the shutter speed to about 1/500th or 1/1000th or 1/250th of a second, and put the aperture to around f6.3 above to f11. That's what I suggest you to do in street photography. So I tend to put it in f8, f9, and also put it into menu focus to do zone focusing, just to focus on like how far subjects are away, like 1.5 meters, 1 meter, 2 meters, however you like to shoot. So set it to about 2 meters, f8, and then you have a lot of stuff in focus, or just leave it at autofocus, but sometimes it's easier to be in manual focus and just click and then you're ready to go. So you can put it also in f10 or whatever. But it's not as easy as doing street photography at f2 than at f9 or 10. So then you can select the distance. So I'll tend to set it around 1.5 meters, so you got sharpness from like 0.8 meters to mainly infinity. Or yes, well, there's a lot of stuff in focus. Yeah, so that was my quick tip, and I would also suggest for you to put on your lens hood if you have one, which is always useful at every camera and protects the lens. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, click the like button. This is a new series on street photography with the Fuji X100, which is really great for street photography because you don't really hear the shutter and you have a really nice viewfinder. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and yeah, click the like, click the subscribe. See you.